Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. My name is Massiel, just in case it's your first time on my channel. And can you guys guess who I am today? I'm Tekashi 69. My best friend Jenny always suggests like videos I should do, and I always never do them. And so she sent me a photo of 6ix9ine, and she was like, Massiel, I'll do a tutorial. And I saw there's only one tutorial out there. I think her name is Leslie Marie. I will definitely leave her video in the description box before all y'all come to me and say I'm copying her. No, like I'm sure there's gonna be many more Tekashi 6ix9ine tutorials this year, but I did my own take on it. I did do my best to incorporate all of his tattoos, and I wanted to do a colorful look for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will have timestamps if you don't want to see how to do the eyeshadow and just how to do the tattoos. I will definitely have a timestamp for you guys so you guys can skip to that. But anyways, without further ado, let's get straight to the tutorial. So as you guys can see, I did my eyebrows off camera. They're supposed to be sisters, but they kind of look like cousins right now, but that's okay. We're going to focus more on the eye look today. As I said, I did a poll on Instagram about whether to do a simple look or a colorful look, and the majority of you guys, an overwhelming amount, decided on colorful. So for my eye look today, I'm going to use the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I've never done a colorful look like this, so bear with me. But first, I'm going to prime my eyes so that these colors can be as pigmented as possible. Okay, so I just got done priming my eyes, and for this look, I think I'm gonna do like a half cut crease, which it goes the best with my eye shape. And this side's gonna be green, blue, purple, and this side's gonna be yellow, orange, red. I'm so nervous, but I'm just gonna get right to it. I think I'm gonna do this side first. Yeah. All right. So going in to this yellow right here, I'm going to go into the inner corner of my eye and focus this yellow right there. Orange shade right here, and apply that right next to the yellow. Now I'm going to go into this red shade right here and add that to the end of my eye. Okay, so now to the other eye, I'm going to be using this lime green, probably a mix of these two instead of that yellow. But once that green's applied, I'm going to go into this blue right here. It's like a turquoise. And then once the blue is applied, I'm going to go in with these two purples right here. So I'm going to put some concealer on my lid and then clean up the edges real quick. So then after concealing my lid and then cleaning up the edges, I'm going to actually do a wing liner. And I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner for this. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using my Shop Miss A lashes in the style of Lexus, and they're only $1, so I highly recommend. Yes, bitch. Oh, that's so pretty. It's Jaquez. Look how pretty, baby. Okay, so my lashes are on, and I am obsessed with this. Like, I kind of just want to leave it like this, but For all of y'all that voted colorful, thank you, because this is a look and I really like it. Now that my eyes are done, I'm just gonna go in with foundation, and then we're gonna get to the most important part of this tutorial, which are the tattoos. So for foundation, I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'll probably just fast forward through that for you guys. So have you guys seen Mean Girls, the part where Karen's like putting a K on her body and it ends up being backwards? I feel like that's what this is about to be. Yikes. Okay. Okay, but like they're seeing this. Should I do like 6, like the way they're seeing it, so that it's not backwards for them? Because if I do it this way, it's going to be backwards for them. I'm so slow. Oh my god, but like look how dope that looks. Oh, that's so funny. I'm actually doing this. The things I... Okay, if you actually end up doing this for Halloween though, please have a friend tell you which way is the right way, because you guys are seeing it correctly because of this camera, but in person this is backwards. Yikes, but okay. You guys catch my drift? Okay. Okay. Oh my god, this looks like really cool though. I kind of want a face tattoo. Other girl didn't. Leslie Marie didn't do the jigsaw. Hers still came out dope, but I'm gonna attempt the jigsaw. I guess I'll do that one like right here. Oh, this is really small though. Okay. Keep it going. Baby, look how it looks on camera though. It low-key looks fine. Yeah. What is that? He has a spider web, which I think I can actually draw. I just have to see what way his spider web goes. Okay, easy, easy peasy. So I'm gonna do one here. One this way. One this way, and then one at the bottom. So to do the spider web, you're going to draw 4 straight lines and then kind of do a U shape going down in between those 2 lines. You'll see. Baby, look at my spider web. Dope? Tell me that ain't dope. Okay, so this jigsaw is gonna be a hard one, and that's on this side. So if you don't want to do jigsaw on your face, that's perfectly fine. Do like kissy lips like Leslie Marie did or something else. But I'm gonna, I'm going all in for this tutorial, so. Well, that's the best I'm gonna do. I'm not even gonna fix it, because that's how I'm feeling. Okay, so this is my ratchet jigsaw. I kind of did it really far on. See his neck tattoo. So I just did my jigsaw 6'9", 6'9", 6'9", 6'9", the spider web, and let's see what I'm missing here. I have to see his neck. I'm not good at drawing wings, but we gonna try. Oh my god, I look like a cholo. I look like a cholo. Look at my white shirt and my face tattoos and my no hair. Oh my goodness. Okay. This looks like more spider webs. If you're good at drawing angel wings, then knock yourself out. I'm kind of just going with the flow now. Just doing my thing. Doesn't look like angel wings. I'm going with this black from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and then we're just gonna shade that in. Fill in the 6'9" I did on my forehead a little bit more, make it a little thicker. How we like our woman, a little thick, a little thick. Okay, I butchered that O. Here's Oscar Mayer Wiener. Okay, let's see if I missed anything. It's crazy because me and his eyebrows are kind of like in the same shape, so good for us. So he has 6'9", 6'9", 6'9", 6'9", and then he has the wings and the 6'9" on his neck. I can't draw wings, so it kind of looks like a spider web. He has a spider web. Wait. No. Jeez, no. The spider web's on this side. So it is confirmed he has the spider web on both sides. So I'm gonna just try and draw it under the jigsaw best I can. Guys, and I did order a wig. I got it from Amazon. The girl who has this tutorial already up, if you're interested in making your own wig, hers came out really good. I suggest you watch her video. It's going to be in the description box for you guys. She made her own wig and like dyed it rainbow. I'm cheap, so I ordered one from Amazon for like $14 or something, and you know, it's not exactly like 6'9", but we're going to make it work. And then I did order a grill because I'm extra. So let me go grab my stuff and then I'll be right back. So you guys can see, this one's like $14. It comes with little pieces to mold it to your teeth. But if the top looks weird, no, it'll look better if you mold it right to your teeth. I just didn't press hard enough, so. Heavy. my boyfriend's gonna draw my 6'9" on my fingers for me. So Tay just helped me do my finger tattoos. And now we're gonna go fix the top of my grill. I cannot talk with this, but it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna go put my wig on now. This is 100% Malaysian. I'm kidding, it's not. It's $15 like this behind my ears in the meantime until we figure something out. It feels funny with the hand tattoos. Look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. I did my best to recreate his tattoos. I know he has a couple more like the rose and stuff, but this is the best I can do, and I tried to make mine a little different than the one Tekashi 6'9" tutorial that is out there. Look, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you do end up recreating this look or following along my tutorial, please tag me in your photos or send those photos my way, because I love when you guys recreate my stuff. It means a lot to me. Anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a huge thumbs up because it took a while to get this look together. As always, make sure to subscribe to my videos for more content. This is my first Halloween tutorial of the year, and there will be plenty more to come. And what am I missing? Oh, and comment down below if you have any suggestions on Halloween tutorials you would like to see, or just videos in general. And let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. I'm feeling it. I really love how the eye look came out, and I feel like I did an a-okay job with the tattoos. Like, look at that. I mean, the jigsaw looks a little busted, but I tried my best, guys. Anyways, I love you guys as always. I hope you guys have a spooky and awesome October. I love you guys.